All right, Reptile Kid, what you got?
We found a big orbital spider web in our front yard,
Uh-huh.
and he made it in one day because yesterday we did not see it.
And so,
He made it to the gate, to the roof, to the swing.
wow. So it's pretty big. To be draped all the way across in less than 24 hours. So he started this last night, and we're gonna get it a little bit closer. He's gonna unfortunately have to have his web a little bit mangled by the end of this because we can't open our gate currently. But we're trying to get a little bit of a closer look. It's hard because he's still kind of blowing in the wind. But this is an orb weaver, and we'll try and get you a little bit of a better picture of them. There we go. Maybe we can stay back and zoom in. These are harmless, really when nice and windy. We're about to get some nice thunderstorms, so it's starting to get a little nice and breezy right now. But you can see them. And I mean, it's a small spider. They're about the size of, I'd say, your thumbnail for the larger ones. Smaller ones probably more like your pinky. This one's pretty small. It's more like a pinky. But what I really wanted to show was that they have these spiky protrusions which come out from the abdomen. So we're gonna have to eventually kind of knock this down. So we'll try and see if we can pause it and maybe add in one more little bit as we try and hold this to get a better footage of them. These are completely harmless, so there's really no fear of them like biting us and causing anything. Oh, wait, there you go. Kind of sticking to me. A little bit better now. Still having a tough time zooming in on them. Maybe you have to call in some reinforcements. Let's see. Lazy got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold it kind of still. Let me see if I can get them good. It still doesn't really want to get them. No. Rough on the zoom. Oh, nice job though. That's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah, there you go. Now we can see them. So you can see that spiky abdomen, which really is an awesome little feature. It makes these guys look so metal and dangerous, but they're really pretty chill. So we'll let them go. Reptile Kid knows he's harmless, so he's not freaking as he comes in. All right, well, we wanted to show you guys, never fear. Orb weaver spiders are abound, but they're always doing their good job, which is to catch all those aggravating gnats and the critters that annoy you, right, Blaze? Like every time in the evenings, always coming out, landing on you. So annoying. So thank you, orb weavers, for doing your job day in and day out. And for having such cool little spiky abdomens. Now we can finally start to get some good footage of them. Some spiky abdomens in there that are a telltale for that species. There's a lot of different types of orb weavers, so we'll have to look up this specific one and let you guys know a little bit later on the exact species. But super cool, very chill. Reptile Kid showing how easy it is to hold on to that sticky web, huh? Cool stuff, Reptile Kid. All right, YouTube, thanks for watching. Peace. I'm gonna show you guys some of the anchor point coming in before I unfortunately have to take this hard work down for this guy. He just is blocking our driveway, huh? Right on the gate. And I can't even see where the next part, there we go. A little bit over there, coming across. And all that again. Oh, there it is. Yep, there's the other part that we broke. There's the last little piece. All that done in one night. And here was our eventual relocation of the orb weaver. We put him over in some of our larger plants. We got a storm coming in, so he'll get some cover. And then of course they will eat the silk and recycle that. So we're gonna give him that opportunity real quick. We try not to mess him up. Still a little windy, so he's getting a little bit blown around. You can see him crawling back across as he bundles it all up. Oh wow, that is really cool. He literally just bundled all that extra silk back up. That's amazing. There he goes. I'm trying to stay in focus. There we go, a lot better. Climbing up the top part. Oh wow, he's got it anchored to my roof. The other longer piece. So he's crawling, or she is, crawling back up. Wow. Gotta be kidding me. Part of my nasty gutters. Don't judge, don't judge. Wow. And it's all the way up. I don't know if you can see the top part, but it's to the very top. I don't want to get out of focus. All the way to the top part of this gutter. So it's just sitting there bundling it all up. It's amazing. Let that be known. No silk goes to waste. It's very cool. Well, glad we got to see that part. Was not expecting that at all. There's that big old chunk. That's just the huge chunk of silk. That is not like some prey that it caught or anything. That's actually silk. Still, there you go. Wrapping it all up. So cool.